The gospel of Jesus Christ is foolishness to those who are perishing.
Well, it's Terminator. Vanoti kunamata kubhatare, hanzinga wakanamata kubva kare. Dai wadzoka munyika kuti tiite zvataimboita kare. Me tell them handina basa nevanondiseka, nyangwe ndishaye shamwari ndotamba ndega, nekuti chandinongoda kupinda denga, neropa raJesu ndakatengwa. Handina basa nevanondiseka, nyangwe ndishaye shamwari ndotamba ndega, nekuti chandinongoda kupinda denga. The things of the spirit are foolishness to those who are perishing. The things of the spirit are foolishness to those who are perishing. When we talk about Jesus, they say that is foolishness because they are fleshly minded. They say we're praying, they say that is foolishness because they are carnally minded. They say I am crazy, me tell them so me crazy for Jesus. I don't care, even if they hate me for Jesus. Nobody can stop me from praising Jesus, King of Kings, Master Jesus. Some boy one like to busy for Jesus, some girl one like to preach for Jesus, but you should know say you are nothing without Jesus. Time up, so you better run to Jesus. Handina basa nevanondiseka, nyangwe ndishaye shamwari ndotamba ndega, nekuti chandinongoda kupinda denga, neropa raJesu ndakatengwa. Handina basa nevanondiseka, nyangwe ndishaye shamwari ndotamba ndega, nekuti chandinongoda kupinda denga. The things of the spirit are foolishness to those who are perishing. The things of the spirit are foolishness to those who are perishing. When we talk about Jesus, they say that is foolishness because they are fleshly minded. They say we're praying, they say that is foolishness because they are carnally minded. Inindasiya nanetsika dzepanyika, inindasiya zvakaipa, inindadzoka kune yakandisika, yakadzika pano panyika, kuzondifira nekuti anondida, anondirwira handimbokundika. My brother, my sister, tsvaga Jesu achiri kuwanika. The things of the spirit are foolishness to those who are perishing. The things of the spirit are foolishness to those who are perishing. When we talk about Jesus, they say that is foolishness because they are fleshly minded. They say we're praying, they say that is foolishness because they are carnally minded.